How to get a Sephora card from a bio. Follow my instructions. Sometimes you'll see a link in someone's Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube bio. These links often lead to promotions, giveaways, or third-party sites that claim to offer Sephora gift cards. Before you click, it's important to know how to do it safely. First, tap the link in the bio and see where it takes you. If it's Sephora's official site or a verified retailer, you can trust it. You'll usually be taken to a page where you can buy, claim, or sign up for a Sephora card. If it's a giveaway promotion, carefully read the details. Some creators host legitimate giveaways where you can win a gift card by following their account, tagging friends, or entering through a form. Check that the account is authentic and not a fake profile pretending to be Sephora. If the link takes you to a survey or asks for too much personal info, that's a red flag. Never give away your bank details or social security number just to claim a gift card. Legit gift cards are purchased or rewarded, not handed out in exchange for sensitive information. When in doubt, go directly to the Sephora website or app to buy a gift card yourself. That way, you know it's safe and you can choose the amount that works for you. So remember, bio links can sometimes be real, but always double check for scams. The safest way is still through Sephora's official channels. And that's how to get a Sephora card from a bio the right way. Thanks for watching.